I spent my hard-earned cash testing these shampoos and conditioners so you don't have to waste your money on products that don't deliver. If you're battling dry, damaged hair like I was, stick around. I'm about to share the top 5 products that can transform your hair from drab to fab. Product number 1. L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set. When I first tried the L'Oréal Paris Elvive Hyaluron Plump Shampoo and Conditioner Set, I was skeptical. With the promise of 72 hours of moisture, I thought it might just be another gimmick. However, the first wash revealed a whole new world for my dry hair. The creamy texture of the shampoo lathered beautifully and felt luxurious against my scalp. It didn't strip my hair, which is crucial for anyone with dryness. After rinsing, my hair felt light, and I could instantly tell it was more manageable. The conditioner, infused with hyaluronic acid, was a game changer. As I applied it, I could feel my hair drinking it in, almost like a refreshing drink on a hot day. The scent was a delightful mix of berries and vanilla, something I looked forward to every time I stepped into the shower. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this duo is paraben-free, which is great for those looking to avoid harsh chemicals. The hydrating formula genuinely made my hair feel plump and full of life. It detangled easily, which is a blessing for anyone who has ever had to wrestle with a brush after a shower. However, on the flip side, it might not be enough for extremely coarse or textured hair types. It worked wonders for my straight, dry hair, but I could see how it might not be as effective for thicker, curlier textures. So, why should you consider this set? If you're tired of battling dryness and want a product that not only cleans but also nourishes, this is a solid choice. The combination of effective hydration and a pleasant fragrance makes it a joy to use. Plus, it's from L'Oréal, a name you can trust in hair care. In a nutshell, if you want softer, shinier, and more manageable hair, give this set a shot.
Product number 2. Native Coconut and Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. I was excited to try the Native Coconut and Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner set because I've always appreciated naturally derived ingredients. When I opened the bottles, the scent was heavenly. It smelled like a tropical vacation, making my shower feel like a mini getaway. Upon lathering the shampoo, I was pleasantly surprised by how well it cleansed without stripping my hair. It felt like a gentle hug for my scalp, and I noticed less frizz as I washed. The conditioner was equally impressive. It felt creamy and rich, and my hair immediately felt softer and smoother. I could easily run my fingers through it, which is a big win for someone dealing with dry hair. Now let's dive into the pros and cons. The best part about this duo is that it's sulfate and dye-free, making it suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. The use of coconut oil and food-grade ingredients left my hair feeling nourished without the heaviness of traditional products. However, one downside is that it might not provide enough moisture for very dry or curly hair types, especially during harsh seasons. I found myself needing an extra leave-in conditioner for optimal hydration. So why buy this set? If you're looking for a shampoo and conditioner that's both effective and made from clean ingredients, Native is a fantastic choice. The fact that it's vegan and cruelty-free is a bonus for those who are conscious about their purchases. In short, if you want your hair to feel nourished and smell amazing, this set should be on your radar.
Product number 3. Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. I picked up the Tresemme Rich Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner set with high hopes, and let me tell you, I was not disappointed. As someone who often battles dry hair, I was eager to see if this salon-quality product could really deliver. The first wash was refreshing. The shampoo had a delightful, rich lather that made me feel like I was treating myself to a spa day. It didn't leave my hair feeling stripped. Rather, it felt clean yet moisturized. The conditioner was thick and creamy, which I love because it means my hair gets a serious dose of hydration. After rinsing, my hair felt soft, like I just walked out of a salon. Pros and cons? Let's break it down. The biggest pro is the infusion of hyaluronic acid, which genuinely made a difference in terms of moisture retention. It also provided heat protection, which is a huge plus for anyone using styling tools regularly. However, it does contain some synthetic ingredients, which some may want to avoid. Additionally, while it worked wonders for my straight hair, I could see it potentially weighing down finer hair types. Why should you consider this product? If you want a budget-friendly option that performs like a high-end product, Tresemme is your best bet. It left my hair feeling soft, smooth, and manageable. Plus, the professional quality means you can achieve that salon finish right at home. Overall, if you're dealing with dry hair and need something reliable, this is definitely worth trying. Product number 4. Marc Anthony Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner Set. When I discovered the Marc Anthony Grow Long Shampoo and Conditioner, I was intrigued by its promise of anti-breakage and hydration. As someone who has experienced breakage due to dryness, I was ready to give it a whirl. The first thing I noticed was the invigorating scent. It felt energizing to wash my hair with something so refreshing. The shampoo lathered well, and the conditioner was rich enough to give my hair the moisture it craved without feeling heavy. After using it, I noticed my hair felt stronger and looked shinier, which was a pleasant surprise. Let's talk pros and cons. One major pro is the inclusion of caffeine and ginseng, which are known to stimulate hair growth and strengthen strands. It truly felt like my hair was revitalized after every wash. However, on the downside, the formula may not be enough for extremely dry or coarse hair. I can see those with thicker textures needing a little extra help. So, why buy this set? If you're on a journey to grow longer, healthier hair, this could be your new go-to. The anti-breakage formula is effective, and the price point is reasonable for the quality you get. Plus, it's paraben and sulfate-free, which is always a win in my book. If you're looking to nourish your hair while also promoting growth, give this product a shot. Product number 5. Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit. The Olaplex Wash and Shine Hair Kit was something I had been eagerly waiting to try. Known for its bond-building technology, I was excited to see if it could really transform my dry, damaged hair. From the moment I opened the bottles, I was captivated. The shampoo had a unique, almost luxurious feel as I massaged it into my scalp. It wasn't just about cleaning, it was about treating my hair. The conditioner was creamy and hydrating, and after rinsing, my hair felt softer and looked shinier than it had in a long time. It was like a breath of fresh air for my locks. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. A huge pro is that this set is free from sulfates and parabens, making it safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair. The bond-building technology genuinely helps reduce breakage and improve overall hair health, which is something I've noticed after using it consistently. However, the price tag is on the higher side, which might deter some. If you're looking for a budget option, this may not be it. So, why should you consider this kit? If you're serious about repairing and revitalizing your hair, the Olaplex kit is an investment worth making. It's especially great for those with chemically treated or damaged hair. Overall, if you want to give your hair the love it deserves, this set could be the answer to your hair woes.